We're waiting to get our oil changed. We're gonna go ahead and get our oil changed. Let's call Katie. See what's going on with Katie.
Hey, what's going on?
Hello. Hey, you're on speakerphone and I'm recording.
Okay.
All right, good morning. We're in
Take the next right
Barnhart
Street.
Missouri, and we're getting ready to try to go deliver this stuff. This place is not easy to get to. I looked on Google Maps and it ain't like right off the street here. So thanks goodness for Google Maps, because this place would have been hard to find. Now, I've been driving 28 years, something like that, and I don't know how I survived without Google Maps. You used to have to call customers and have them give you directions, and they were pretty good about giving directions. Nowadays, you call somebody to try to give you directions over the phone.
Next left onto Muffler Drive. Then your destination will be on the right.
A lot of people have a hard time giving directions. So we'll get this unloaded, and then we got to make our way over to St. Charles, Missouri, which is about an hour or so away. And we're supposed to pick up a big power pole, like the big ones, the big transmission lines. I think that's what we're getting. It's supposed to be 50 feet long and weigh 25,000 pounds. I called this place yesterday. I hope they're open. Yeah, looks like they're open. Oh, man.
Your destination is on the right.
I have arrived. All right. Let me get checked in here. And I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Apparently, I'm doing it wrong. This guy's got to back up, so I guess you come in and back out, something like that. I don't know where you back out to if you got to back all the way out the street. Let's see what's going on here. It's getting a little crazy.
You butt him back out and then you can pull up where he's at.
Okay, all right. What do you do? Back straight out, or back across the street, or or you have to back over the railroad tracks?
Back straight out into the grass and then you can pull out.
Oh, okay. All right, all right.
Yeah, just pull up where he's at after he backs out.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Alright, I think a little bit of excitement going on this morning here. I think we got it worked out. This guy is going to back up. And then he wants me to pull where he was. So apparently back up straight across the grass. Alright, let me get this unloaded. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. That took about 5 minutes to back out of there. Oh, why was that so hard? Oh, man. Oh, all right. let's get out of here. Go pick up our next load. All right. We're of course we got here right when they went to lunch, but we're waiting to get loaded. I thought we were getting power poles, but we're getting big pipes. Looks something like that, I believe, is what we're getting. So that's what we're going to be loading. I've never loaded here before, so it'll be a first time. All right, let's get loaded, and I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, we got loaded. We're over here in Effingham, Illinois. We're at the Speedco. I'll spin you around. We're waiting to get our oil changed. We're gonna go ahead and get our oil changed. Let's call Katie. See what's going on with Katie.
Hey, what's going on?
Hello. Hey, you're on speakerphone and I'm recording.
Okay.
I was calling to find out what you know. What happened?
The new same old stuff. Pennsylvania and California, and then parts of New York. That we're here now, but it's mostly city New York, not upstate.
I heard something on the news about Illinois that might start doing it. Have you heard anything about that?
I haven't, but now you're going to get Frankie on the speakerphone too.
The joys of working from home.
Yeah. We haven't heard anything about Illinois, but they're also not telling us any states until they are 100% positive, like they've heard it from state officials.
Oh, okay.
So,
right.
if it's like in the works and not actually done yet, I mean, management just wants to make sure that we're not giving out any, like, rumors or anything that's not actually true. So,
yeah,
until it's, like, state official and done, I would say they won't notify us.
Well, I think I think we did good by taking that load down to Jacksonville.
Jacksonville.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pays decent, so at least put some money in the bank before everything goes crazy.
Yeah, and I'm banking on Savannah, so that's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
And watching out of for you.
All right. Well, I will say this for any other Mercer guys that watch, to learn to trust your coordinator. Have faith in your have faith in your coordinator. She sees a lot, or he or she, they see a lot of what's going on in the United States. And
we're trying to anyway. I mean, I know most of us are really trying to make sure that everybody knows what's going on, or that we're at least trying to stay on top of it and not sending people into places that could potentially be a problem.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm getting my
dogs want to be famous, so just let that happen.
Well, it's almost the end of the day, so they're anxious for you to get off the phone.
Today, yeah, she's desperate for me to do something. Frank, get out. So, they think they hear something outside, but they don't.
Oh.
I mean, they might, but I don't see it.
All right. Well, I'm sitting here waiting to get my oil changed. I'm all loaded up, and I will be in Michigan on Monday morning.
Okay, perfect. I'll keep you posted.
All right. Talk to you later. Thanks.
All right. No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. It's the end of the day. We got the oil changed, and we're over here in Brazil, Indiana. While I was getting the oil changed over there in Effingham, Illinois, I guess Illinois is now a shelter-in-place state. So I'm not too sure what that's going to mean. So I thought I'd get out of Illinois and get to Indiana. And plus, I can't get no TV reception in Effingham over there. And if I remember right, I can get some TV here. But I don't have my satellite dish anymore. The satellite dish it broke, and then it was costing me about $100 or so a month for the satellite. And when it broke, I started signing up for like Netflix and Hulu and that, and I just stream it through my phone to the TV, and I just watch it like that. So I got Sprint. I use unlimited data. I've never had an issue. So I mean, Sprint service ain't the best, but I've never had an issue going over. So I'm starting to get a little nervous about what's going on, and there's a lot of trucks out on the road. Here, take a look. This is a Friday, and it's only what, 7 o'clock, 7:30 here. That guy's backing in. But it's a Friday, and there's still a lot of trucks out on the road. So I don't know where they're going or where they're coming from, or if I'm just more aware, and that might be what it is too. But I kind of figured like all the trucks would disappear, but they're still out there. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen to flatbed freight. I know you reefer guys and you dry van food haulers. I think you guys are going to be okay. You guys are going to have plenty of work. But I am a little nervous about flatbed. I did talk to Katie about if Mercer was going to ask for any flatbed drivers to haul a van or anything. She said she hadn't heard anything. So, but I did tell her, I said, put my name on the list. If by chance Mercer needs drivers for vans, you know, for van freight, I'll go do that if there's no flatbed freight, just to keep the wheels rolling. So, anyway. All right, that's it. We'll call it quits for today. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. I'm planning on making my way up to Ann Arbor, Michigan. I think that's where I'm going. Dexter, Michigan. There's a TA truck stop up there. I think that's where I'm going to try to get to. And I think I'm going to try to get there tomorrow. And then at that TA, I'll do laundry and whatnot. We did book a load to Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, out of Detroit. So that's a good deal for Monday. So it's still booking load, and the rate on it's pretty good too. So it's still booking loads, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.